How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Scottwood Research. My name's Patrick, and today we're out in the shop because we're going to put the Harbor Freight 14-inch 4-speed woodworking bandsaw together. I've been without one for too long. My benchtop Delta took let's just say it cashed in its chips a while back, and it'll be nice to have a bandsaw in the shop again. So we'll put this thing together. I'll make a couple of cuts, tell you what I think. So what do you say? Let's put this thing together. So I got something weird going on. I don't know. I think I got a piece that doesn't have the right hole. So I'm just going to dry fit what I can, figure out. I got it figured out. All right, here we go. Nowhere in the directions does it tell you what to do with this here pulley, so I guess I'm just going to try and figure it out. I don't tell you how to put these belts on either. Well, I got it put together. I think I got the perfect spot for it for now. And we'll plug it in, see how it works. Went together pretty good. Couple of hiccups on my part. A little bit of pilot error. And their part, I'll explain. But anyway, let's move this thing. See if we have to make any adjustments. That's pretty square. Cut a piece of wood. Like butter. let's try something a little more challenging, shall we? This roughly 2.5 by 2.5 inch piece of maple. Yeah, I did all right. That's a pretty smooth cut. Sweet. Okay, so my first impressions are, yeah, this thing's decent. I'm gonna cut a pretty good radius on this cedar. And it really didn't have any problem going through this 2.5 inch thick with a 3/4 inch hole in it maple either. So yeah, I like it. It should do what I want it to do. Now let's talk about the other stuff. All right, now we're gonna talk real quick about parts where I was just saying, what the f? And the first is the instructions. Let me show you. So right off the bat, this is where I said, what the fudge, man? It's because I looked at this illustration and that angle looks like it fits over that angle, and you really can't see it in this one either. And I wasn't the only one that had that problem. There were a couple other YouTubers. This one woman said that's what she's been doing for the last 10 years, is doing these kind of instructional illustrations. And she would have never drawn it that way, and I would agree. If they have drawn it like this, that would have taken the confusion right out of it and saved my brain. The rest of this stuff was pretty straightforward, and once I got it all together, then I figured that out. Here they devote a half a page to mounting this pulley to the motor. And I looked at the motor, and the pulley's already on there. It's like, what the fudge, man? I don't... So that was just kind of weird. So, you know, thinking about it, I didn't really forget the box to run the wires through for the electrical. I was just reading along, and they don't mention the box in here at all. And so I didn't run it through the box and didn't figure it out until after. And that slowed me down a little bit. It's funny, man. I just, as I'm leaping through this thing, going through this, it's like I just realized that the instructions have you mount the body to the stand and then mount the motor. But I did it the other way because I was by myself. I mounted the motor to the stand while I was on the side, stood it up, and then mounted the body, which was pretty easy. Funny. And right here where they say, with at least one assistant, lower the bandsaw body down on the stand's faceplate. Yeah, if you got somebody to help you out, do it. Like I said, I hurt myself. So let me tell you about my biggest what the moment. It went from a what the into a are you kidding me? I was tightening down the bolt on the motor, and Robin was holding it down so that I could get the belt real tight and cinching the bolts down. And you know, I'm not giving a red-faced grunt or anything. And this one bolt, it was just all of a sudden it got tight, and then all of a sudden it did this. It stripped it. and then it wouldn't come off. It wouldn't go in tighten, and it wouldn't come off. So I got underneath there with the old angle grinder with the cutoff wheel inside the box of that thing, and as soon as it went through, it kind of jumped and nicked the wire. So I had to cut off 6 inches of wire and rewire the gosh darn thing. Yeah, that was a bummer. But anyway, I think I'm gonna like it. Seems like it's pretty good built. Yeah, it should be cool. I'll give it another review after I've used it a while. So until then, stay safe, be healthy, stay busy, and take care of each other. And we'll see you in the next one.